we bring you the ultimate checklist of common skincare mistakes you're probably making, so nothing stops you and your skin from looking its very best. Now before we begin, here's some great news. We have a few giveaways for some lucky winners, so stay tuned till the end of the video for more details. The skin around our eyes, nose and mouth is extremely thin and delicate, so it should always be treated gently. Rubbing your eyes when you're tired, tugging your face while cleansing, stretching your eyelids while putting on an eyeliner are some of the things that loosen skin's elasticity and make it more susceptible to fine lines and wrinkles. The right way to keep your skin intact is to relax your eyes when you're tired, pat your face while applying makeup, or remove your makeup in round circular motions. This will keep your skin tight, healthy, and keep early signs of aging at bay. Just like eating and sleeping, bathing is an everyday process. So it's important that you use products that reveal fresh and glowing skin upon its use. Always opt for one like Dove's Bathing Bar. That is super effective in removing impurities and dirt from the skin, all the while being hydrating. Enriched with 1/4 moisturizing cream, you are assured that this bathing bar will replenish the lost nutrients and oils from your skin, so you can have supple, baby-soft skin from head to toe. On days when the sun decides to be its absolute worst, you can choose to top your regular SPF with accessories like trendy scarves, cool shades, and stylish visor caps to make sure you're completely protecting yourself from the sun's harmful UV rays, all the while looking runway ready. A lot of us are guilty of going to bed without removing our makeup. But you should know that it's an absolute torture to your skin's health. Makeup clogs your pores and lowers skin's moisture levels, and dryness, breakouts, chapped lips, and wrinkles are just a few of the side effects. So before you hit the sack, make it a point to gently remove your makeup. Soak a cotton pad in coconut oil and let it stay on your skin till all that product is absorbed, and then swipe it off. While under-exfoliating leaves your skin looking dull, overdoing it can destroy the protective layers of your skin, making your skin extra sensitive and even rash-prone. It's hence recommended to exfoliate twice a week using a gentle yet nourishing scrub. Mix 1 cup of Epsom salt with 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil and add 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil to this. Now gently massage this DIY scrub using your fingers in small circular motions, and you will be left with healthy, radiant skin. Before we go, tell us how often you moisturize your skin in the comments below and stand a chance to win an exciting hamper from Dove. The winners will be announced on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. While it's only human to make mistakes, we hope this video has helped you understand what's keeping you from that heavenly glow. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.